There are many products available to choose Kitchen Cookware Set, each with different characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make an informed decision, I did extensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best kitchen cookware set from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So, without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 5. Carotte Cookware Set. The Carotte 21-piece cookware set presents itself as a comprehensive solution for everyday cooking needs. Its sturdy die-cast aluminum body promises long-term durability without sacrificing convenient lightweight feel. The inclusion of a wide variety of pieces, from frying pans and saucepans to casserole pots and essential utensils, ensures this set can tackle most culinary tasks. A standout feature is the white granite nonstick coating, boasting a 10x ultra nonstick performance and the assurance of being PFOS/PFOA free, catering to health-conscious users. The claim of being easy to clean with a simple wipe or rinse is appealing for busy individuals, although hand washing is recommended. Furthermore, the suitability for all stoves, including induction, thanks to its high magnetic inductive stainless steel base, adds to its versatility. Finally, the brand's commitment to service and guarantee provides peace of mind with the promise of refunds or replacements for defective items. Overall, the Carotte 21-piece cookware set appears to be a well-rounded option, offering durability, non-stick convenience, ease of cleaning, and compatibility with various cooktops. It's a strong contender for those looking to equip their kitchen with a comprehensive and user-friendly set of pots and pans. Number 4. Kitchen Cookware Sets. Kitchen Cookware Sets prioritize a non-toxic cooking experience, boasting a coating free from PTFE, PFAS, and PFOA, ensuring no harmful chemicals leach into your food and promising durability against scratching. The slippery, smooth, non-stick surface facilitates effortless food release, reduces the need for excessive oil, and simplifies cleanup, appealing to health-conscious individuals. A key highlight is the compatibility with all stovetops, including induction, alongside being oven-safe, offering versatility in the kitchen. The standout feature, however, is the detachable handle design, which allows for remarkably compact storage, saving significant space in cabinets or drawers, making it ideal for smaller kitchens or RVs. The set comes as a full pack with a good variety of pots and pans, lids, silicone utensils, pot protectors, and even silicone trivet mats. Easy maintenance is emphasized with simple cleaning instructions and recommendations for hand washing to prolong the non-stick coating's life. Overall, Kitchen Cookware Sets offer a compelling combination of safety, efficient non-stick performance, stovetop versatility, and a particularly innovative space-saving design with the detachable handles. This makes them a strong contender for those with limited storage or anyone prioritizing a non-toxic and easy-to-maintain cookware set compatibility with various cooktops. It's a strong contender for those looking to equip their kitchen with a comprehensive and user-friendly set of pots and pans. Number 3. Cuisinart MCP 12N. Looking for a cookware set that delivers professional results? The Cuisinart MCP 12N is a fantastic option. This set boasts a durable triple-ply construction with an aluminum core for even heating and a stylish brushed stainless steel finish. You get a great range of essential pieces, including saucepans, skillets, a sauté pan, and a large stock pot, plus a steamer insert, all with tight-fitting lids. I love the thoughtful design touches like the cool grip handles and drip-free pouring rims. Plus, they're oven-safe up to 550 degrees Fahrenheit and work on induction cooktops, offering incredible versatility. Cleanup is a breeze too, as they're dishwasher safe. If you're serious about cooking and want a high-quality, long-lasting set, the Cuisinart Multiclad Pro is definitely worth considering. It lives up to Cuisinart's reputation for excellence. Set compatibility with various cooktops. It's a strong contender for those looking to equip their kitchen with a comprehensive and user-friendly set of pots and pans. Number 2. Tefal Ultimate Cookware Set. If you're in the market for a durable and versatile cookware set, let me tell you about the Tefal Ultimate. This set is built to last with its hard anodized exterior and forged design, plus a titanium nonstick coating. Makes cooking and cleanup a breeze. You get everything you need with saucepans, fry pans, a griddle, sauté pan, Dutch oven, steamer insert, and even an Egg Wonder fry pan. The ThermoSpa technology is a game changer. It turns solid red when the pans are perfectly preheated for optimal cooking results. The premium design features riveted silicone handles for a comfortable grip and vented glass lids that keep heat and moisture in while letting you monitor your food. This set can handle oven temps up to 400 degrees Fahrenheit and works on all stovetops except induction. Whether you're whipping up your favorite recipes or experimenting with new dishes, the Tefal Ultimate has got you covered. It even comes with a limited lifetime warranty for added peace of mind. Definitely a great investment for any home chef. Number 1. All-Clad D3. The All-Clad D3 10-piece set offers a solid foundation for any kitchen, boasting the brand's renowned D3 tri-ply construction. This ensures fast and remarkably even heating across the cooking surface, a key factor for consistent results, whether you're searing the fry pans or simmering sauces in the saucepans. The 18 out of 10 stainless steel interior is excellent for browning and deglazing, promising flavorful pan sauces. Beyond performance, the set showcases All-Clad's classic design with a polished stainless steel finish and securely riveted handles, offering both durability and a professional aesthetic. The inclusion of essential pieces like 8-inch and 10-inch fry pans, versatile saucepans, a sauté pan, and a stock pot makes this a comprehensive starter set. Built to last, this cookware is oven and broiler safe up to 600 degrees Fahrenheit and compatible with all stovetops, including induction. While hand washing is recommended, the quality of materials and construction, backed by All-Clad's limited lifetime warranty and its Made in USA heritage, inspires confidence in its longevity. Overall, the All-Clad D3 set is a worthwhile investment for those seeking reliable, high-performing, and durable cookware. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information, or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below.